Welcome to your first real lab. In this lesson, we're going to build something small but important, a working network made of just two computers talking to each other. By the end, you'll have wired it up, configured it, and seen that first successful ping come back. And here's the secret. Every massive enterprise network you'll ever touch is really just this same pattern repeated. So here's the goal laid out visually. Two PCs, PC1 at 192.1168.1.1 and PC2 at 192.1168.1.2, both plugged into a single switch called SW1 on ports FA01 and FA02. Because they share the same subnet, 192.168.1.024, the switch can simply forward frames between them and they'll talk. That's it. Master this little triangle and you've got the foundation every larger network is built on. Now let's actually wire it up, and it really does come down to 4 moves. First, drop 2 PCs and a 2960 switch onto your packet tracer canvas. Then grab a copper straight-through cable and connect each PC to a switch port, straight through because we're going from a PC to a switch, 2 different device types. Next, click into each PC and assign the addresses, 192.168.1.1 and 192.168.1.2, both with a 24 mask, and that's the key. Same subnet, same mask, so no router is needed yet. When you see green link lights on both ends, the physical layer is up and you're ready to test. Let's zoom in on that addressing step. On each PC, open the desktop tab and head into IP configuration. Think of the IP address as the device's identity and the subnet mask as the rule that says who counts as a neighbor. PC1 gets 192.168.1.1. PC2 gets 192.168.1.2, both with a 255.255.255.0 mask. Since they're both sitting in 192.168.1.024, they're on the same local network, so we can leave the gateway blank. They don't need a router to find each other. With the addresses in place, it's time to prove the link actually works. Open PC1's command prompt and type ping 192.168.1.2. You're asking Peter2, are you there? 4 replies, 0 loss, and you've just confirmed your first working network. Get comfortable with ping now because it's the troubleshooting tool you'll reach for again and again throughout the CCNA. If it ever fails, walk back through the basics, cables, IP addresses, and matching subnet. And that's your first working network. 2 PCs, 1 cable, 1 shared subnet. Next up in Lesson 5, we'll lock in what you've built by saving configurations properly and recapping everything from Module 0 so it's ready to build on. If this clicked for you, hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. The full course is free on YouTube and over at Dargslan.com. See you in the next lesson.